Hello everyone. I hope you're doing good. So as you can see on my Windows screen, today we are going to learn about that how we are going to make our Wi-Fi or internet faster. Okay, so let's start, guys. I'll tell you the first step. What you need to do is just go to your Windows bar and press right click and then go to Run option. Okay, once you go to Run option, what you need to write here is ncpa.cpl. Okay, once you write that, you will see all of your internet or Wi-Fi options here. Whether you are connected with your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whatever you are using, just press right click on that and go to properties. Once you go to properties, you can see some options. There's one networking, sharing, and configure option. Go to configure option. Uh, From after the configure, go to advanced option. From here, you need to search fast channel. Okay, just I'm gonna go press F, and you can see fast channel intolerant. Okay, you can see the value here. It's disabled. What you need to do is enable that option. Okay, and then you need to go for another one that is roaming aggressiveness. I'll press R. Okay, roaming aggressiveness, which is this one. Okay, roaming aggressiveness, you need to set your volume at the lowest. Okay, the more lowest you choose, the more faster your PC will be. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make it to medium low, not the lowest one, but yeah, I'm gonna go for the medium low or whatever. You can choose even the lowest. Okay, so but I'm going to choose the low. Okay, and then press OK. Yeah, guys. So once you do that, you just come to your Wi-Fi or internet again, and then press right click and go to properties. Okay. So from here, you will need to select your internet protocol version for TCP/IPv4. Just double click on that. Okay, and use the following DNS server address. Okay, and then we're gonna write the Google address, which is 8888, and then 8844. Okay, just press OK on that. Once everything is done, what you need to do is just restart your PC, and you will feel that your internet is more faster than before. So that's it, guys. That is what that I wanted to tell you. I hope it solves your problem. If you like my video, just comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. And sorry, don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is at it dash Hassan. Okay. Bye bye.